Hey, what's up guys, this is Mike, and this video is very different from the ones that I usually make on this channel, but it's very important as one of our own people from our community needs our help. It's about a person from Bulgaria, a drone photographer called Vladimir. He's a good friend of mine. We've actually never met before in person, but we talk a lot online, and he is one of my online friends, I would say, because he's really good, very talented at what he does. He's great at taking photos with the drone, and he recently had an accident. His mother's apartment recently completely burned down. It's completely unusable. It's destroyed 100%. Luckily, no one was injured. Everyone managed to get out safely, but the apartment is completely ruined. And I'll let you see the damage yourself. He posted on Instagram, so let me show you that.
Hey guys, most of you know that my mother's apartment was on fire yesterday, and first of all I want to thank you all for the messages. Honestly, I didn't expect that much response and so many messages and asking me how you can help. It really means a lot to me, guys. And people who know me personally know that I never ask for money when it's for me. In this case, I'll probably need some money to help my mothers to build the apartment. Unfortunately, I can't do this by myself. So I will leave a link for a donation. If you can help with something, it will be much appreciated. You don't need any registration. You just need if you have a PayPal account, and all the money will be used only for the apartment. I will not use anything for me. And I know it's hard to ask for money, and
so as you can see, it's a very serious situation. The apartment is completely ruined and unusable from now on. And I think it's my duty as a person with such an amount of followers on Instagram and here on YouTube to try to do whatever I can to help, because everyone can be in that situation. Nobody's safe from something like this happening to him or to his family. So I would really encourage you guys, if you want to help, please click in the first link in the description. Try to help with anything that you can. I'm sure every little bit counts in a situation like this. So once again, please do whatever you can to help one of our guys from the drone community. He's a great guy and he really deserves all the help that he can get. So if you can do that, that would be great. Of course, I'll be personally donating as well, and I just really want to help a guy in a need and show that we guys as a community can be strong, can be humans, and can do something good for someone who really needs it at this tough time. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Don't forget, click in the first link in the description, help with what you can, and thank you so much. Bye.